Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a special message for all Muslim youth living here in Canada or in USA in general, in North America. It's very important that you are aware of who you're talking to. If somebody approaches you or contacts you and talks about any suspicious stuff, or he connects you to any wrong terrorist organization, or tries to connect the dot between you and any wrongdoing groups or something, please report to NCCM. Please report to any community activist. Or if you don't know anybody, you don't know where to go, please send me a message, drop me a line here, and I will connect you with NCCM. Because there are people who are wrongdoers. There are people who actually intentionally get Muslim youth into trouble, and they actually lure people into drug trafficking and human trafficking stuff, and you don't know. So the simple rule of thumb is, if you're attending a convention, if you're attending an event, if there is an event that popped up with any unknown organization, be very careful and do some research. Always do your due diligence. Talk to other people in the community. Are you aware of this organization and so person, or so sister, so brother? Anybody who actually comes to you with any known connections or any very well known connections in the community, please dig more about them. Please do your research. Please do not be fooled by just about anybody who actually comes with Muslim attire. Say, you know what, I want to do this, I want to take you to media, I want to actually connect with you and things like that. I'm not asking you to be suspicious about your own brothers and sisters. Trust me, I'm not. But I want you to be very careful. I want you to be well connected in the community. Talk to MSAs, talk to your local groups, talk to different organizations like NCCM, Muslim Students Associations in every university and college, and I3 Institute, other youth-led organizations. Anybody you can contact to, please bring the information forward. There are community activists, there are community leaders who are really passionate about protecting you, your identity, your safety, your security, and they're connected with local agencies, they're connected with local police, and they actually fight for you if you are in trouble by some unknown person. Please use your due diligence and contact the right people. NCCM, North American, NCCM is North American Muslim organization that actually protects the rights of Muslim, right? So please go to nccm.ca and connect with them. There is also an incident reporting form there by NCCM. Please fill that form and report any suspicious activity, any hate attempt, any hate crime that has caused you trouble or anything. Please report everything, because reporting is very important for NCCM and for all of us, because Muslims are in trouble and many a times we don't report and we get into more trouble, right? Use your due diligence, get NCCM involved, inform NCCM, and report everything that had made you uncomfortable, insecure, or unsure about something. Okay? Keep me in your duas, inshallah, and be protected, be safe out there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.